Hi. Welcome. Today we have a fun puzzle to teach you about shapes, colors, and how to see the time on a clock. First, let me show you the basics. This is the hour handle. This is the minutes handle. All around the clock there is number from 1 to 12. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Before I explain how a clock works, let's go through the shapes and colors of all pieces. Let's grab the first. The number 1 piece is pink and has a caterfoil shape. It has a shape that looks like a 4-leaf clover. Let's place it on the clock with the same number and color. Let's pick the next piece. The number 2 piece is red and it has a parallelogram shape. It looks like a leaning rectangle with 4 sides. The opposite sides are parallel, like train tracks. Let's pick number 3 piece now. The number 3 piece is orange and it has a triangle shape. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. Each side is a straight line, and it looks like a slice of pizza. Let's pick the next piece. The number 4 piece is light green and it has a square shape. It has 4 equal sides and 4 equal corners. Let's pick the next piece. The number 5 piece is dark green and it has a pentagon shape. It has 5 sides, 5 corners, and when you connect them all, it looks like a house with a pointy roof. Let's get number 6 piece next. Is this the correct piece or this one? It is this one because it has a line below the number. The number 6 piece is blue and it has a hexagon shape. It has a shape with 6 sides and 6 corners. It's like a stop sign or a honeycomb from a beehive. Let's pick the next piece. The number 7 piece is pink and has an oval shape. It looks like a stretched out circle. It's not perfectly round, it's like the shape of an egg. After 7 we have the 8 piece. The number 8 is red and it has an octagon shape. It has 8 equal straight sides and equal 8 corners. Let's pick the next piece. The number 9 piece is orange and it has a trapezoid shape. It has 4 sides, but only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. It looks like a triangle that is missing the top. 3 to go. Let's pick the next one. The number 10 piece is light green and it has a diamond shape. It has 4 sides, but the opposite sides are a bit longer and the corners are pointy. Let's pick the next one. The number 11 piece is dark green and has a rectangular shape. It is like a longer and skinnier square. It also has 4 sides, but opposite sides can have different lengths. And for last we have the number 12. It is blue and it has a star shape. It has 5 or more arms, like rays of light, coming out from a center point. Picture the stars that twinkle at night. And these are all the shape and colors. Let's go around the clock again, say the shape and colors one more time. 1 is a pink caterfoil. 2 is a red parallelogram. 3 is an orange triangle. 4 is a light green square. 5 is a dark green pentagon. 6 is a blue hexagon. 7 is a pink oval. 8 is a red octagon. 9 is an orange trapezoid. 10 is a light green diamond. 11 is a dark green rectangle. 12 is a blue star. Let's focus now on how to see the time. The shorter red handle tells us the hours. I am going to focus on this first. The other is the minutes handle, but let's see the hours first. If the hour handle point to 2, then it is 2 o'clock. If it points to 3, then is 3 o'clock. If it points to 6, it is 6 o'clock. If the hour handle point to the middle of two numbers, in this case 6 and 7, it is 6 o'clock. It is only 7 when the handle reaches 7. Choose always the smallest number. If I put the handle in the middle at 7 and 8, do we have 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock? It's 7 o'clock. It will only be 8 o'clock when the handle reaches 8. Remember, we need a clock so we know, for example, what time to get up, go to bed, catch the bus to school, and many other things. That is why it is very important to know how to see the time. Let's now talk about the minutes handle. When the hour hand moves 1 hour, from 8 to 9 for example, the minute handle does a complete turn. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. If we move the minutes handle to 1, what time do we have? Is it 9 hours and 1 minute? No. It is 9 hours and 5 minutes. Every number on the clock is equal to 5 minutes for the minutes handle. So we have 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes. Let's practice. What time is now? It is 9 hours and 10 minutes. And what time do we have now? It is 9 hours and 30 minutes. Remember, when the hour handle is between two numbers, the current hour is always the smaller number. What time do we have now? It is 10 o'clock. What now? It is 11 o'clock. What time do we have now? So let's see, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes. So we 11 hours and 25 minutes. What time do we have now? We have 11 hours and 40 minutes. Let's do one more. This one is easy. What time do we have now? We have 1 o'clock. I hope you enjoyed the puzzle, and let me share something else with you. One day has 24 hours and the clock only has 12 hours written on it. So remember, for example, we have 1 o'clock during the day and 1 o'clock during the night. Same position but two different day times. See you next time.